Hello and welcome everyone.
Bienvenue à tous. My name is Alain Doucet, President and CEO of the Canadian College of Health Leaders. I am pleased to be joined in our Edmonton studio by Brenda Redmond, Chair of our Board of Directors, to host this evening's event.
We begin by respectfully acknowledging that we are hosting today from the traditional territories and ancestral lands of the Indigenous, Métis, and Inuit peoples. We invite you to take a moment to reflect on the cultural importance of these lands as we honor those who have walked before us, along with those still to come, and to reaffirming our commitment to forging culturally safe relationships on our pathway towards reconciliation. Please join me in also acknowledging the Indigenous culture of knowledge sharing that leverages collective experiences and allows people to learn from one another. It is in that spirit of mutual respect and collaboration that we come together today.
We are delighted to host this virtual celebration for the college's National Awards program. Through the Honoring Health Leadership celebration, we recognize the contribution of some of Canada's most outstanding health care leaders and innovators.
The National Awards Advisory Committee provides oversight and monitoring of the college's National Awards program. On behalf of the college, I'd like to express our appreciation to the committee members for their dedication to further improving the college's National Awards program. Thank you.
Merci aussi aux nombreux membres des comités de sélection de notre programme de prix. Thank you to all Awards Selection Committee members.
Thank you to all sponsors, nominators, and nominees, and those who have supported the awards program. We were all very impressed by the number of high-quality nominations we received this year from health leaders and organizations from across the country. I encourage you to download and read our 2022 Leading Practices booklet to learn more about those being honored this year and to consider how you could implement some of the inspirational projects and initiatives in your own organization. The booklet is available in the resource tab of this virtual platform and on the CCHL website. We continue to build out the Canadian College of Health Leaders as the connected community that develops, supports, and inspires health leaders. The entire team at the college's national office, our chapter executives, our corporate partners, and our board of directors have all worked hard in the past year to provide best-in-class leadership development, member support, and career advancement services for healthcare leaders across the country and across the continuum.
Nous tenons à remercier tous les membres du Collège, les travailleurs de la santé, nos partenaires de l'industrie et les leaders qui se dévouent et travaillent activement et diligemment pour gérer la crise du COVID-19. Nous sommes fiers de l'énorme essor que nous connaissons grâce au succès de nos membres et au travail incroyable qu'accomplissent nos bénévoles et notre personnel. Together, we continue to promote lifelong learning and professional development while recognizing leadership excellence.
On behalf of the college's board of directors and its membership, I would like to thank 3M Canada and Johnson & Johnson MedTech for their co-sponsorship of this virtual celebration. We're proud to work with such partners as they provide us the opportunity to celebrate and showcase outstanding individuals, teams, and organizations who make a difference in their communities.
Good evening, everyone. 3M is delighted to co-present, along with Johnson & Johnson MedTech, the 2022 Honoring Health Leadership Virtual Awards ceremony. We're pleased to support the Canadian College of Health Leaders and to provide a platform to celebrate and recognize outstanding individuals, teams, and organizations. 3M has been a proud partner with the Canadian College for almost 30 years, and once again, we're delighted to be recognizing excellence in health leadership. I also want to take a moment to recognize all of our frontline healthcare workers and healthcare organizations for the work they're doing to protect Canadians and improve care delivery and patient outcomes. I, the selection committee, and the college continue to be inspired by the quality of the programs and the passion displayed in delivering health system and care innovation. Congratulations to all the recipients, and thank you to all health leaders for your contributions to Canada's health systems.
Johnson & Johnson MedTech Canada is pleased to co-present along with 3M Canada at this year's Canadian College of Health Leaders Honoring Health Leadership Virtual Awards ceremony. We are truly proud to honor these recipients for winning their respective awards and for making a real difference in their communities, in their organizations, and most important of all, to the patients and families each of you serve. In addition to honoring today's award winners, Johnson & Johnson is very pleased to play a crucial partnership role with each of you and the health systems you represent as we navigate the complex challenges that this pandemic has put before us. As our federal health minister, Jean-Yves Duclos, stated last week at a policy forum, the last 2 years have taught us not only the value of partnership across government, providers, and industry, but how to partner as well. At J&J, we stand poised to continue this partnership as we help the system recover, assist to close to 1 million patients who have seen their surgical care deferred, and as we all strive to build a more resilient health system for the future together. With that, on behalf of Johnson & Johnson MedTech Canada, I offer our heartfelt congratulations to all of this year's winners. You are remarkable difference makers.
Thank you for your support. Our virtual ceremony will be divided by award categories. We will start by presenting the College Awards and then move on to the sponsored individual awards, the Team and Organization Awards, the 3M Health Quality Team Awards, and conclude with the Robert Wood Johnson Awards. Brenda, let's get started. The CCHL Distinguished Leadership Award honors a champion of performance improvement. Winners of this prestigious award are passionate and visionary leaders who have led transformative change, demonstrated exemplary engagement and collaboration, and a dedication to building leadership capacity. This award honors senior leaders who demonstrate a commitment to lifelong learning, are recognized by their peers for their passion for health leadership, and have made lasting contributions to their communities. Thank you to Stryker Canada for sponsoring this award. I would like to welcome Lindsay Williams, Vice President and Managing Director at Stryker Canada, to make this year's presentation.
Thank you, Elaine. Stryker Canada is pleased to support the CCHL National Awards Program as sponsor of this prestigious award. We're proud to announce that Neil Fraser has been named recipient of the 2022 CCHL Distinguished Leadership Award. Neil joined Medtronic over 35 years ago and became the president of Medtronic Canada in 2004, receiving numerous awards, including Canada's Best Large Workplace and a Top 100 Employer. He's passionate and at engaging and to help improve the health outcomes of Canadians, and has been an avid supporter of the College since Medtronic joined as a corporate member in 1994. On behalf of the College and of Stryker Canada, congratulations, Neil, for your outstanding contributions to healthcare leadership. Neil, what does it mean to you to have received this award?
First, Lindsay, thank you so much to you and to Stryker Canada for sponsoring this award. To answer your question, it means so much to me to win this award, especially in this year of all years, coming through the pandemic and all of the challenges that health leaders have faced, and of course, our front lines. It's really inspiring and humbling to be recognized by the College and by such an esteemed group of judges. I understand that it's been many years since an industry leader has been recognized with this distinguished award, and for that, I'm deeply honored. In the last couple of years, if it's taught us anything, it's the importance of working together across silos, across government, healthcare providers, and industry to address the most pressing healthcare challenges. Although for some, the pandemic is waning, in healthcare, our challenges continue, and in some respects are mounting. I hope we can continue to work together with shared purpose and with the same sense of urgency that we've had during the pandemic to transform healthcare and to address what's now the quintuple aim of healthcare. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil, for your remarks. Congratulations once again. Do you have any closing remarks to share with us?
Thank you. Yes, I'd just like to share that I've worked with the College for decades, and I'm very grateful to the College for all of our partnership over the years. The college has given us the platform to connect with health system leaders with transparency and in trusted venues. The theme of the recent National Health Leadership Conference was leveraging leadership and people capacity for better health outcomes. Like I said, I think there's a great opportunity to do this together, developing novel healthcare solutions, be it technologies and processes. We work best when we collaborate with each other, learn from each other, and co-create solutions. I look forward to many more collaborations to come. Thank you, et merci à tous.
Congratulations, Neil. It's music to my ears. Collaboration and co-creation is what it's all about for sure. At the college, we are fortunate to have many dedicated corporate partners whose membership and support make so many of our programs and services possible. The President's Award is given annually to a corporate member who has supported college activities and programs in a tangible manner. Le Prix du Président pour rapport exceptionnel au Collège rend hommage à un membre corporatif qui, depuis plusieurs années, aide constamment le Collège à réaliser sa raison d'être et ses orientations stratégiques. This year, we are very pleased to celebrate HEROC. Through their financial contributions, HEROC has helped support a number of college initiatives. They have been an annual sponsor of the National Health Leadership Conference since 2008 and of the Canada West Leaders Conference since 2017. In addition, HEROC has provided their support for our National Awards program and our Honoring Health Leadership event by sponsoring the Celebrating the Human Spirit Award since 2021 and supporting the Leading Practices booklet since 2020. Founded 35 years ago, HEROC is a trusted healthcare safety advisor committed to offering a full spectrum of insurance products and support throughout a claim. Combined with Sage Counsel and Risk Management Solutions, HEROC works with its partners to increase safety. Congratulations to Catherine Galton, CEO of HEROC. Catherine, we're pleased that HEROC is celebrating 25 years of corporate membership in 2022. What is the greatest value of corporate membership with the college, and what would you tell a prospective corporate member who is considering joining the college?
Great question. HEROC's been involved with the college for at least 25 years and is extremely appreciative of the important role that the college plays in providing developmental opportunities for leaders and supporting crucial peer interaction, and generally in keeping a very clear lens on what leadership needs to be as we contemplate the future of healthcare in Canada. Very daunting task. Leaders and CCHL's contributions to the development of those leaders in Canada, and then HEROC's work with them, are all fundamental to achieving HEROC's vision of partnering to create the safest healthcare system. Without CCHL, we would be missing a key step in our shared path to enhance patient safety in Canada. On your question for new corporate members, I'd advise them to take advantage of all the opportunities that membership provides. Be an active member. Once we as organizations are clear about what we want to achieve and about where our commitments lie, it is easy to see how the college's work supports the achievement of those goals.
Catherine, congratulations once again, and thank you for supporting the college. Before we let you go, do you have any closing remarks for our audience tonight?
It's an honor for HEROC to be recognized with the President's Award. HEROC's partnerships are the cornerstone to our success because we know together we can turn the corner on patient safety, and our partnership with CCHL is a special one that we value and appreciate. We are very grateful to all the leaders who are part of the college and thank them for what they do every day and for taking the time to collaborate with the team at HEROC with that goal of really enhancing quality and making our system safer for those we serve. Thanks again. Appreciate this honor on behalf of HEROC and everyone who works with us. Take care.
Well, thank you so much, and I'm pleased to hand off the podium now to Brenda from our Edmonton studio. So over to you, Brenda.
Thanks, Alain, and congratulations, Catherine and HEROC. The Canadian College of Health Leaders is proud to announce the recipients of the 2022 Chapter Awards for Distinguished Service. This award provides an opportunity for chapters to recognize locally and nationally the individuals who have made a significant contribution to their chapter. The recipients have been selected by their respective chapters in recognition for their involvement in college activities and for their leadership in educational programming, member recruitment, or other areas of voluntary contribution. At this time, I'd like to congratulate or send congratulations to BC Interior Chapter, Jason Jaswal, BC Lower Mainland Chapter, Sarah Ashton, Blue Nose, Nova Scotia and PEI Chapter, Lindsay Peach, Eastern Ontario Chapter, Michelle Bellows, Greater Toronto Area Chapter, Talia Wolf, Manitoba Chapter, Arlie Jones, Midnight Sun Chapter, Sean Secord, Neon Lights Chapter, Kathy Bailey, New Brunswick Chapter, Stephanie Smith, Newfoundland and Labrador Chapter, Melissa Koish, Northern Alberta Chapter, Alicia Thaver, Northern and Central Saskatchewan Chapter, Leanne Smith, Le Chapter du Québec, Liette Bernay, Southern Alberta Chapter, Kara Patterson, Vancouver Island Chapter, Dr. Dawn Waterhouse. Congratulations to all. The Healthcare Management Forum Article of the Year Award is focused on honoring a journal author whose article has helped to challenge the traditional notions of health leadership and motivate transformational behavior. The Article of the Year Award highlights an original article published in the preceding year, which has helped to inspire meaningful reform and contains findings which apply to multiple sectors within healthcare. Thank you to Sage Publishing for sponsoring this award.
On behalf of Sage Publishing, I am honored to present the 2022 Healthcare Management Forum Article of the Year Award. This year's winning author is Dr. Anne Mullen for her article entitled Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Accessibility, From Organizational Responsibility to Leadership Competency. This article stands out because it provides practical recommendations for health leaders that can be used to change traditional governance, mentorship, and performance management programs. The end result allows leaders to attract better talent and create a more progressive, inclusive culture. Dr. Mullen is a principal at Shift Health, a strategy consulting firm for the health, research, and innovation ecosystem. Congratulations.
Thank you to the Canadian College of Healthcare Leaders and Sage Publishing for this humbling recognition. I share this award with my co-authors, Dr. Imogen Ko, Dr. Everton Gooden, Dr. Madupe Tunde Bayas, and Dr. Ryan Wiley, who generously contributed their insight, expertise, and lived experience during the development of this paper. In this article, we call on healthcare and research leaders to create systems of innovation and care that benefit and include us all. To do this, we argue that inclusion, diversity, equity, and accessibility must become core leadership competencies. Thank you again for this award, which underscores the importance of IDEA, or inclusion, diversity, equity, and accessibility, to the future of healthcare.
Thank you very much. And I know that Laurie Wilson, the editor of our journal, is always very proud when this particular award gets handed out. On to the Celebrating the Human Spirit Award, which recognizes and honors the meaningful contributions of individuals or teams who provide health services for acts of caring and compassion that go above and beyond the call of duty, which inspire others and have a profound and lasting impact. Ce prix reconnaît les actes d'individus exceptionnels qui améliorent la santé ou le moral des patients ou la vie de la famille, du patient ou de la collectivité. Ce prix vise à partager leurs histoires avec leurs collèges partout au Canada et d'aider à inspirer les autres. Thank you to HEROC for sponsoring this award.
Thank you. It's a privilege for us at HEROC to sponsor the college's Celebrating the Human Spirit Award. At HEROC, we're pleased to collaborate with the college with this shared goal of enhancing patient safety in Canada. I'm so very proud to announce that Safe Haven has been named as the 2022 recipient. For more than 30 years, Safe Haven has provided exceptional care to and advocated for the rights and quality of life of youth and adults with developmental disabilities through leading medical care and non-institutional recreational programming. Safe Haven has been recognized provincially and nationally for their exceptional work during the pandemic, and CEO Susan Desalong was named to the City of Toronto's COVID-19 Vaccine Accessibility Task Force and the Provincial Network for Vaccine Access in Ontario. Congratulations to Safe Haven and to Susan.
Thank you. I'm absolutely honored to be here accepting this award on behalf of Safe Haven, celebrating the human spirit. Safe Haven is an organization that cares for individuals with medically complex needs and developmental disabilities in the Toronto region. During the global pandemic, we saw an opportunity for us to help other agencies in need. We've reached out and created a gold standard infection prevention and control program that helped many other agencies and those they serve to keep safe during a time when there was many poor outcomes, and we also kept people safe. We are extremely honored that HEROC has created this award, and we thank the Canadian College of Healthcare Leaders for making this possible.
Brenda, this is such a nice award, and you could also see why we're so pleased to have HEROC support us, because here they are again with an award for a very deserving recipient.
Yeah, very much so. Congratulations, Safe Haven. Okay, and our next award that we move on to is the Mentorship Award. It's presented to a leader in the healthcare system who demonstrates exemplary, sustained commitment to mentoring and inspiring healthcare leadership. Winners of this award are recognized leaders who, through dedicated service, have made a substantial contribution to healthcare mentorship with their own organization and or within the health system. Thank you to Roche Canada for sponsoring this award.
Good evening. I feel honored and privileged once again to present the CCHL Mentorship Award, which Roche has sponsored since its very inception. I have to say we were also very excited recently to see the college relaunch the National Mentorship Program that you will find on the CCHL Circle platform. So please go, visit, and more importantly, engage. At Roche, with our purpose of doing now what patients need next, we recognize that to truly improve our healthcare system, we must emphasize the importance of developing and mentoring our leaders. Therefore, we are delighted to recognize the contributions of an outstanding leader and mentor, Christina Denisek, Cchl, for her relentless commitment to mentorship. Christina entered a leadership role at a young age herself and has stated that fostering young and emerging leaders through mentorship has been a passion of hers throughout her career. Please join me in congratulating Christina.
Thank you. I want to acknowledge the college for promoting this award. It speaks to the importance of mentorship in the development of leaders and the vital role that established leaders need to play. A thank you and my appreciation to Roche Canada for their ongoing commitment to mentorship and this award, which extends beyond a decade. I believe that mentoring is a call to action to empower, encourage, and create enthusiasm for both personal and professional growth in others. It is an opportunity to support and champion this growth. As I've progressed through my career, I am grateful for those that supported me and to those that I look to as role models and exemplary leaders. Supporting and mentoring others has also added to my own personal growth, and I've learned much from many. I believe that strong leaders are a legacy that we can give to any organization, and especially our health system. I am humbled to have been nominated and named as the award recipient for 2022. Thank you for this honor.
Brenda, I know you know a thing or two about mentorship, and it's sure nice to see such an important activity being recognized in Saskatchewan in this particular year. So I know you're very pleased with this as well.
I am, and having worked with Christina in the past, I can actually attest personally to her commitment to mentorship. Well done, Christina.
Thank you. Our next very important award is the Nursing Leadership Award. It builds on the themes of patient-centered care and leadership and honors those who demonstrate an ongoing commitment to excellence in these areas. Le Prix de leadership en soins infirmiers met en valeur les thèmes de soins centrés sur les patients et du leadership et honore les personnes qui manifestent un engagement soutenu à l'égard de l'excellence dans ce domaine. Nos sincères remerciements à Baxter Canada pour leur soutien de ce prix.
Baxter is pleased to sponsor the Nursing Leadership Award. Through our 85-year history in Canada, we have always been proud to partner with nurses who inspire, motivate, and drive excellence in the delivery of patient-centered care. This year's award recipient is truly a creative leader with a wide range of clinical, operational, corporate, and strategic leadership experiences. His track record reflects his ability to inspire and shape interdisciplinary healthcare teams while creating sustainable, positive working relationships with diverse stakeholders, both inside and outside of the health sector. I am delighted to recognize Sean Chilton, Vice President of People, Health Professions, and Information Technology at Alberta Health Services, as a recipient of the 2022 Nursing Leadership Award. Congratulations, Sean.
Thank you to both the Canadian College of Health Leaders and Baxter for this award. It was a great honor and surprise to not only be nominated, but to be chosen. I've been given some amazing opportunities since I've been here in Alberta with AHS. The award really is a testament to the great teams I work with each and every day. So thank you again. It really is appreciated.
Congratulations, Sean. Well done. And I'm particularly proud to know that this recipient comes right from my own province, Alberta. So well done, Sean. The next award is the Robert Z. Young Health Leader Award. It is presented to a Canadian health leader, age 40 or younger, who has demonstrated leadership in the effectiveness and sustainability of Canada's health system. Winners of this award have shown leadership growth and advancement in their healthcare career and have demonstrated outstanding vision and leadership that has resulted in measurable improvements within their organization and or within the health system. Our sincere appreciation to Health Hub for their support of this award.
Health Hub is delighted to support and recognize the outstanding achievements of Canada's young health leaders and to sponsor the Robert Z. Young Health Leader Award. I'm proud to announce that Jennifer Quelietta, Cchl, Vice President, Performance Excellence and Information Services at HEROC, has been named as the 2022 recipient. Jennifer is a respected leader with vast experience in the Canadian healthcare sector. She consistently demonstrates her ability to lead complex initiatives at the local, regional, and system levels. She has had countless improvement efforts, and their sustained impacts can be seen across the entire healthcare landscape. Congratulations, Jennifer.
Thank you very much. I'm very humbled and honored to have been recognized by the Canadian College of Health Leaders and Health Hub, and would like to thank them for this award. I owe this honor to my team, colleagues, and the many mentors that I have leaned on for their guidance and leadership. One of the most exciting aspects about this industry is seeing those around me succeed, even when given the challenges that are presented in our daily lives. I would like to thank my HEROC family for allowing me to share in its vision and supporting me through my own personal development. I would also like to thank Robert Z. for his contributions to transforming the Canadian healthcare system and for his continuous leadership in role modeling excellence for future system leaders. Finally, I would like to thank my family, my husband and my two boys, for continuing to inspire me to grow both personally and professionally.
Brenda, a special shout out to Robert Zed. I don't know if he's listening, but if you are, Robert, thank you so much for helping lead the way in this award. And here's yet another example of what a terrific organization HEROC is. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
The Award of Excellence in Mental Health and Addictions Quality Improvement honors a hospital, health authority, community-based program or service, or a leader in the field that demonstrates evidence-informed and sustained quality improvements in the area of mental health and addictions. Les récipiendaires de ce prix ont apporté dans leur système de santé des améliorations fondées sur des données probantes qui ont permis d'obtenir de meilleurs résultats pour les patients ayant des problèmes de santé mentale ou de toxicomanie. Nos sincères remerciements à la Commission de la santé mentale du Canada pour leur soutien de ce prix.
La Commission de la santé mentale du Canada est fière d'appuyer, encore cette année, le programme national des Prix du Collège. I am proud to announce that Surrey's Urgent Care Response Center at Fraser Health has been named as the 2022 recipient of the Award of Excellence in Mental Health and Addictions Quality Improvement. This outpatient mental health center, located on the campus of Surrey Memorial Hospital, is a great example of innovation in the delivery of mental health services to meet the increasing demands for mental health and substance use services. Félicitations, congratulations.
Our thanks to the Mental Health Commission of Canada for sponsoring this award and the Canadian College of Health Leaders for finding us worthy. Success in healthcare is always a collective event, and we have been fortunate to have received the support of our CEO, Dr. Victoria Lee, as well as the Mental Health and Substance Use Program leadership. During the planning and building of our service, we were blessed to work with like-minded professionals who embraced our vision and helped us to create a great place to work and a great place to receive care. This includes our Executive Director, Meryl McDowell, our Project Manager, and our Manager. The list of persons who built and became the service is long and includes all the patients, their families, and the staff who participated in our focus groups, and of course includes our physicians, our coordinators, nurses, and counselors. Creating a great place to work and receive care requires constant vigilance and realignment in order to keep these values at the center of all our activities, and this is what we strive to do and be.
Brenda, we've just been to BC, but now we're going back to you in Alberta.
I see that. Congratulations to Fraser Health. Yeah, we're moving right across the country.
Absolutely.
Okay, our next award, the Energy and Environmental Stewardship Award, recognizes a progressive healthcare organization that has implemented programs that demonstrate environmental responsibility through the reduction of energy usage, the preservation of natural resources, and effective waste diversion solutions. Our sincere appreciation to Honeywell for their outstanding support of this award.
Honeywell is proud to support the Energy and Environmental Stewardship Award and to celebrate leadership in regards to environmental responsibility and the sharing of best practices. This year's award recipient has become a leader in environmental health and sustainable development in Quebec. This institution's sustainable development policy includes initiatives ranging from responsible procurement to residual materials management, including energy efficiency, water management, air quality, and climate change. I am pleased to announce that the Institut National de Psychiatrie Légale, Philippe Pinel, is this year's recipient. Congratulations.
Merci. Je tiens tout d'abord à remercier le Collège canadien des leaders en santé pour l'opportunité, encore une fois, de démontrer les réussites associées à la démarche structurée en développement durable qui place la santé au centre des préoccupations de notre organisation. Je tiens également à remercier le commanditaire du prix, soit Honeywell, de permettre aux participants d'avoir une tribune pour démontrer toutes les actions réalisées et surtout toutes les réussites en lien avec la santé environnementale de nos patients, nos employés, nos partenaires. Pour terminer, je remercie tous les acteurs qui ont collaboré à la réussite de l'implantation de notre démarche. Merci à la haute direction, au comité en santé environnementale et développement durable, à nos nombreux partenaires tels Synergie Santé Environnement, Énergère, Alvéole, La Sauverdie et plusieurs autres. L'investissement de tous les patients, employés et partenaires nous permet au quotidien d'améliorer notre empreinte écologique, notre milieu de vie, notre environnement de travail et surtout d'atteindre des standards de qualité en santé environnementale et développement durable, ce qui nous permet de faire de cette démarche une réussite extraordinaire pour notre organisation.
Quel plaisir de présenter un prix à une organisation francophone et d'avoir une belle représentation du Québec. It's great to have an award winner, Brenda, from Quebec, especially somebody who does healthcare in French, so that is absolutely terrific.
Sure is.
The Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion Award recognizes a forward-thinking healthcare organization that has demonstrated leadership in creating and promoting diversity and inclusion to improve the environment for its employees and to provide better service to their patients and the community. Ce prix fait honneur à une organisation avant-gardiste qui fait preuve de leadership en créant et en encourageant la diversité et l'inclusion. Merci à Sodexo Canada, le commanditaire de ce prix.
We are very proud to sponsor the Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion Award. At Sodexo, we live and work with diversity. Building inclusive teams gives us a competitive advantage and help us anticipate the needs of our customers. The recipient of the 2022 Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion Award is Alberta Health Services. As Canada's largest healthcare provider, AHS provides care and services to over 4.5 million Albertans. They have put people, programs, work groups, and resources in place to ensure all workers within Alberta's healthcare system live its core value: compassion, accountability, excellence, safety, and respect, and have cultural competency training so they have a deeper understanding and appreciation of other cultures and customs. Congratulations.
Greetings from Alberta Health Services. I'm Shobha George, an occupational therapist, and I was privileged to contribute to our diversity and inclusion success. We've progressed on our journey to a better place by recognizing that racism and discrimination do exist within our communities and healthcare system. One of our cornerstone accomplishments this past year is our anti-racism position statement, which affirms our commitment to combat racism, discrimination in all forms at AHS, and lead by example with fairness, equity, and equality for all. Thank you so much for recognizing our growth in providing culturally safe and sensitive care.
Thank you, Shobha. My name is Randall Bell. I'm the Senior Advisor for Indigenous Addictions and Mental Health. On behalf of all my colleagues in Canada's largest province-wide healthcare system, it is my distinct honor and great privilege to accept the Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion Award from the Canadian College of Health Leaders. It's been a long road for us, but now more than ever, we remain committed to building a healthcare system where all people feel safe, welcome, and comfortable accessing our services, a place where people know they will always be treated with care and compassion, with dignity and respect. Once again, thank you for this great honor. Kinana Skomitnan. Hi, hi.
Brenda, another great example of health leadership from your home province of Alberta, and back to you for the next award.
All right, and congratulations, Alberta Health Services, another prestigious award for sure. The next one is the Excellence in Patient Experience Award, and it's focused on honoring organizations and individuals who have set in place innovations that improve the human experience in healthcare. The award highlights and recognizes innovations that have made a change to how patients and their families experience healthcare services. Thank you to Huron Advisors Canada Limited for sponsoring this award.
Good day.
Huron Canada helps organizations create great places for employees to work, physicians to practice, and most importantly, for patients and their families to receive and experience excellent care. We are proud to once again sponsor CCHL's Excellence in Patient Experience Award. This year's recipient provides an innovative patient-centered care model that offers patients and families an acute care alternative by providing 24/7 hospital-level care in the patient's home. I think perhaps this is one of the most innovative solutions of our era. Then, recognizing the vital importance to include the voice of patients and families, this team invited them to participate, to partner to co-create, learn, adapt, and scale a more meaningful acute care solution. I'm thrilled to announce this recipient. Congratulations to the 2022 recipient of the Excellent in Patient Experience Award, Island Health's Hospital at Home program. Congratulations.
Thank you so very much. It is truly an honor to accept this award on behalf of our entire Island Health Hospital at Home team. Thank you to Huron for sponsoring this award. Developing and implementing this clinician-inspired, patient-centric model of care was only possible due to the incredible collaboration with our patient partners. Our patients and family caregivers have been instrumental to the success of our program. I would like to recognize the dedication of our South Island hospitalists and our clinical teams who care for our patients on a daily basis. Our patients' experiences in the program are a direct result of the incredible care that you provide. Thank you to everyone who knocked down barriers to allow our program to come to life, including numerous Island Health leaders, the BC Ministry of Health, and the Victoria Hospitals Foundation. Finally, I'd like to thank our Island Health Research Department and Decision Support colleagues who have made it possible for us to capture our patient and staff experiences along this journey.
Brenda, that's another great example of coast-to-coast health leadership. We had Bonnie in Newfoundland announcing the award and the recipient on Vancouver Island. I think this is just tremendous.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Congratulations to Island Health. We really are spanning the country today.
The Excellence in Patient Safety Award recognizes individuals and teams who are committed to improving patient safety within the healthcare environment through leadership, culture, best practices, innovation, and change management expertise. Ce prix rend hommage aux individus ou aux équipes qui se sont engagés à améliorer la sécurité des patients dans le milieu de la santé par le leadership, la culture, les pratiques exemplaires, l'innovation et les compétences en matière de gestion du changement. Thank you to BD Canada for sponsoring this award.
BD is a leader in patient and healthcare worker safety, and we partner with organizations around the world to address the most challenging global health issues. BD Canada is proud to sponsor the College's Excellence in Patient Safety Award. We are delighted to honor an organization that embarked on a transformational journey to enhance corporate oversight and accountability for patient safety incident management. This was accomplished through the implementation of a framework aimed to improve reporting, standardize organizational response, and increase frontline staff and physician participation. I am pleased to announce William Osler Health System as the recipient of this year's award. Congratulations, team.
On behalf of William Osler Health System, I want to thank the Canadian College of Health Leaders in BD Canada for nationally recognizing Osler's work and awarding us with the 2022 Excellence in Patient Safety Award. Osler's patient safety incident management framework evolved out of our organization's long-standing commitment to quality excellence. Since its implementation, the framework has resulted in increases in patient safety incident reporting, the number of staff and physicians attending palliative care reviews, and in historically underreported incidents, helping us to drive quality improvements that further minimize risk and prevent adverse outcomes and harm. In closing, I'd like to pay special tribute to Osler staff, physicians, leaders, volunteers, patients, families, and members of Osler's Patient and Family Advisory Council, who not only informed the creation of the framework, but who are also making a difference every day by actively participating in patient safety incident management. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to William Osler Health System. That's a fantastic award as well. Our next award is Recognition in Delivering Value-Based Healthcare. It aims to increase the profile and understanding of value-based healthcare by honoring an organization or team that is deliberate in changing the way that care is delivered, resulting in improved patient outcomes. This means that patients are being optimally cared for at the right time, in the right setting, and at the right cost. Our sincere appreciation to Medtronic Canada for their support of this recognition.
Medtronic is proud to support the Canadian College of Health Leaders National Award Program and to recognize organizations that are changing the way that care is delivered, resulting in improved patient outcomes. We are pleased to announce that the recipient of this year's Recognition in Delivering Value-Based Healthcare is the Adult Provincial's Bleeding Disorder Program of BC at Providence Healthcare. The team has embraced value-based healthcare delivery on a provincial scale and demonstrated that this approach works when applied with patients and a longer-term vision in a population with complex chronic disease who have shared needs. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am accepting this award on behalf of a group of bleeding disorder care team members, current and past. They are all pioneers with dedication and willingness to try things differently for the sake of improving patients' lives. A few special mentions: Deb Gu, Sandra Squire, Claude Bartholomew, Michelle Beck, Stacey Cave, Dr. Haley Merkley, Alexia Sarvan, Barbara Sheridan, Karen Sims, and Dr. Paul Jensen. We have been practicing many of the foundational elements of value-based healthcare for a long time and are incredibly grateful for our patients and family members' engagement and trust. We are grateful that they have shared with us the outcomes that matter to them and their day-to-day lives so that we can align bleeding disorders care to meet their needs. Lastly, a huge thank you to Medtronic for recognizing that value-based healthcare is a powerful model of healthcare delivery for populations like ours with shared healthcare needs. Thank you.
Brenda, we keep giving awards to organizations in BC. I think I'm going to move there, and I think you should join me.
Well, the West is best. What can I say?
Now on to, we have been celebrating the showcase and success of the recipients of the 3M Healthcare Quality Team Awards since 1994. It's been tremendously rewarding to see quality take its permanent place on the agenda of healthcare leaders, and we thank 3M Canada for their continued support. We are delighted to honor the recipients of these awards as part of our Honoring Healthcare Leadership ceremony tonight.
The 3M Healthcare Quality Team Awards celebrate innovation, quality, teamwork, and patient and family engagement. Given the continuing challenges we all face in the healthcare industry, it is important that we take time to showcase and to learn from initiatives that use creative thinking and collaboration as effective tools to improve the delivery of programs and services. Although we're honoring 2 special initiatives today, we would like to thank all of those who submitted nominations. Our selection committee had the enormous task of reviewing and ultimately choosing only 2 programs for special recognition. The 3M Awards booklet available on the CCHL website includes summaries of every nomination received this year. I encourage you to read it and to consider how these initiatives could be implemented within your own organizations. The 3M Healthcare Quality Team Awards are presented in 2 categories: quality improvement initiatives across a health system and quality improvement initiatives within an organization. It gives me great pleasure to announce Island Health's Step for Expedient Discharge, Short-Term Enablement and Planning Suites as the recipient in the category of quality improvement initiatives across a health system. Congratulations.
Thank you, Drew. I'm delighted to be joining you today from the beautiful unceded and occupied lands of Cowichan tribes to accept this important and prestigious award on behalf of our STEPS team. Short-term enablement and planning suites are a creative and innovative response to a need in our community, and it's a wonderful example of how partnership, collaboration, and pooling resources can create a low-cost yet high-quality patient-centered care delivery system. Through trust, communication, and willingness to take some risk, a wonderful new resource and community was created for patients with complex discharge planning needs while supporting patient flow through acute care. On behalf of this extraordinary team, I would like to express our gratitude to 3M and the Canadian College of Health Leaders for honoring us with this award and for providing an opportunity for us to share this work with other health leaders.
And now for our second award. I'm pleased to announce that the 2022 recipient of the 3M Healthcare Quality Awards in the Quality Improvement Initiatives within an Organization category is HEART, Humber Rivers Hospital Elderly Assess and Restore Team. Congratulations, Humber River.
I would like to thank the selection committee for this award and 3M as the generous award sponsor, recognizing and nurturing team leadership achievements in healthcare. I really want to acknowledge the entire HEART team and especially our dedicated clinicians who work tirelessly every day with our patients, helping them improve their function and transition home safely. There's a few individuals I wish to highlight who've been particularly impactful to HEART's success. First of all, Carol Hatcher, our EVP Clinical and Chief Nurse. She was the visionary behind the initial concept and encouraged and inspired us. Denise Scott. Denise was one of the key players in developing, planning, and implementing and evaluating HEART and is now the team's manager. Jillian Scandifio, Research Assistant. Jillian's been instrumental in evaluating the outcomes of HEART research study and helping disseminate our findings for greater impact. Andrew Lockwood and Aline Kudeverdian are amazing professional practice leaders in physiotherapy and occupational therapy, respectively. And of course, our CEO, Barb Collins, who's always been supportive of the work of the HEART team and is our key advocate. I really want to thank all of my colleagues and friends, and especially my family, for their ongoing support. Thank you.
Brenda, it's always nice to see an award for care provided to our oldest and most vulnerable patients in our communities. So I'm very pleased to see Humber River Hospital receive this particular award. And now it's back to you for the home stretch of our awards evening. So back over to you, Brenda.
Okay, thanks, Lon. Okay, so this is the home stretch. It's the last award that we have for the day, but definitely not the least. For over 6 decades, Johnson & Johnson has been recognizing outstanding talent within Canada's Masters of Health Administration programs. Every year, we're privileged to welcome the recipients of the Robert Wood Johnson Awards into our community of health leaders. I would like to thank Johnson & Johnson MedTech for their continued support.
We are delighted to recognize some up-and-coming difference makers. Established in 1956, the Robert Wood Johnson Awards are presented to 6 students from Canadian universities offering a Master of Health Administration. Recipients are selected by their respective faculty for their individual achievements and promising contributions to health services management. It is vital that we recognize excellence and support our emerging leaders. Congratulations to this year's Robert Wood Johnson Awards recipients. These individuals are joining an exclusive group of health leaders, and we certainly look forward to following each of your careers. Congratulations to Dr. Saeed Alassi from Dalhousie University. Dr. Alassi is a cardiothoracic surgeon who has performed more than 2,500 open heart procedures and has more than 25 years of experience in health systems across the globe. He holds a master's and PhD degree in cardiothoracic surgery and a diploma in healthcare facilities management, and has just completed his MHA from Dal. Dr. Alassi is an active member of the CCHL and is working towards his CHE designation. Congratulations, Dr. Alassi.
Thank you so much, Canadian College of Health Leaders and Johnson & Johnson for the 2022 Robert Wood Johnson Award. Special thanks to the faculty at the School of Health Administration at Dalhousie for selecting me and for the enlightenment journey. An enormous salute to all my colleagues who were as capable of winning this award. And of course, thank you to my extended family and friends who were always supporting. I'm extremely honored and humbled to accept this award and join the distinguished past recipients. The journey was not easy, especially in this stage of my life, and I have questioned my abilities and motivation several times along the way. But I had to push through and hang on to my passion for learning. My message to all young healthcare leaders out there is to keep learning, hold on to your dreams, and never give up. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to Nicole Didiuk from the University of British Columbia. Nicole has a passion for supporting healthcare providers along their unique educational journeys and for exploring how ongoing medical education and supportive networks ultimately impact patient care. Someone who values lifelong learning herself, Nicole is proud to be a part of the 2020-2022 cohort of UBC's Master of Health Administration program at the School of Population and Public Health. Congratulations, Nicole.
Thank you to Johnson & Johnson MedTech for this award and for supporting those of us who wish to make positive impacts on our healthcare system. I think now more than ever, our system needs to support not only patients, but also the providers who dedicate their lives to help others. It's heartening to witness the passion and energy that both my professional and educational colleagues have around this work, and I'm honored to be mentioned among this group of inspiring healthcare leaders. A special thanks to the UBC School of Population and Public Health's Master of Health Administration program for creating a program that really faces the relevant issues in healthcare today. Thank you.
Congratulations et félicitations à Stephanie Bumba from Université de Montréal. Stephanie Bumba has been a nurse clinician since 2019 and currently practices at the McGill University Health Center. She created the web series These Afro Scientists from Yesterday to Today, which features Afro-descendant personalities who left their mark on the health sciences industry. Her educational videos are available on her YouTube channel, Nurse Steffi TV, and her work has been highlighted in several national newspapers and media outlets. Félicitations, congratulations, Stephanie.
Merci. Je suis très reconnaissante d'être l'une des récipiendaires du prix Robert Wood Johnson 2022. Je tiens à remercier le corps professoral et mes camarades du département de gestion, d'évaluation et de politique de santé de l'École de santé publique de l'Université de Montréal et également mes mentors du Centre universitaire de santé McGill, Dr. Sidorovich et Madame Regnault. Merci maman et papa pour votre soutien indéfectible. Au fil de mon parcours scolaire, j'ai pu constater à quel point les gestionnaires jouent un rôle important dans l'amélioration de la performance des organisations de santé et ce, tant au niveau budgétaire, de la qualité des services offerts et du sentiment d'appartenance des membres. Thank you to Johnson & Johnson Medical Devices Companies and the Canadian College of Health Leaders for celebrating the achievements of all the awardees.
Congratulations to Jessie Aluk from the University of Alberta. Jessie, a proud member of Big Stone Cree Nation, was first introduced to the field of Indigenous health as part of a grade 11 career internship with Alberta Health Services. This inspired him to pursue a career in healthcare and encouraged him to train as a registered nurse and a public health practitioner. His primary interests are within the realm of Indigenous health and health leadership. Jessie is currently completing a practicum project with the Government of British Columbia's Division of Indigenous Health and Reconciliation. Congratulations, Jessie.
Tanse and hello. I would like to take this time to give a few big thank yous to the faculty and the University of Alberta School of Public Health for providing such an excellent education. Thank you especially to the health policy and management professors who nominated me for this award. I would also like to say a big thank you to my family, for without you, I would not have had the emotional, physical, mental, spiritual, and financial support that allowed me to become the person I am today. And to all Canadian Indigenous students considering post-secondary studies, especially in the field of public health, my advice to you is to never give up. I didn't, and here I am accepting an award. Thank you.
Félicitations à Elizabeth Tonguay from the University of Ottawa. Upon graduating from the MHA program at the University of Ottawa, Elizabeth was awarded the 2021 MHA Alumni Association Health Leadership Award for her outstanding presentation of the Healthcare Management Field project. Elizabeth is now the Administrative Director of the Ottawa East Ontario Health Team, where she leads collaborative multi-sector efforts to improve the lives of citizens through a population health approach based on the quadruple aim framework. Félicitations and congratulations, Elizabeth.
Thank you, Johnson & Johnson MedTech, for presenting me with this distinguished recognition. I'm humbled to receive this award and will do my best to embody the ideals put forward by Robert Wood Johnson and honor his legacy. I also want to express my sincere appreciation to the MHA faculty of the Telfer School of Management at the University of Ottawa for selecting me for this prestigious award. Completing this MHA changed my life. It helped me acquire the necessary skills to be a transformative leader in integrated healthcare. Finally, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my residency preceptor and mentor, Dr. Bernard Leduc, président directeur général à l'hôpital Montfort. Grâce à son soutien et son exemple de leadership empathique et dévoué, j'ai bénéficié des meilleures opportunités et des meilleurs conseils. Je lui en serai toujours reconnaissante. Merci.
Congratulations to Emer Murphy from the University of Toronto. Emer began her healthcare journey studying radiography at the University College Dublin in Ireland, before moving to Toronto and joining Mount Sinai Hospital. She is focused on improving patient experience and in 2020 received an award for outstanding patient care. Emer is a passionate person about improving coordination of care and completed a 3-month practicum at the Ontario Ministry of Health in 2021, where she was a member of the team responsible for the implementation and support of Ontario Health teams. Congratulations, Emer.
Thank you very much to the Canadian College of Health Leaders and Johnson & Johnson MedTech for this award. I'm honored to receive it. I'd also like to thank Tina Smith, our Program Director, and all of the faculty at IHPME for their support. Pursuing this program has been a wonderful experience, and I've been constantly inspired by both my professors and classmates. I'm excited to apply my learnings towards building a better health system. Thank you again.
Wow, what an impressive list of recipients to end the evening with. Congratulations to all of the 2022 award winners recognized this evening. Your achievements and leadership are so impressive. Thank you for making a difference. It's been a delight to host this ceremony and to hear from such an inspirational group of leaders.
Félicitations à tous. As evidenced by the testimonials we have seen, our healthcare systems are being led by extraordinary individuals whose passion and expertise will have long-lasting positive impacts on patient care in this country.
We encourage you to consider nominating individuals, teams, and organizations worthy of recognition in next year's 2023 National Awards Program. For nomination information, please visit the awards section of the college's website. Thank you, everybody, for attending.
At the college, we remain focused and committed to deliver on our promise of professional development, community, and career support today, throughout 2022 and beyond. Whatever you need, whenever you need it, please let us know, and we will do our best to see you through the current challenges and help you pursue new leadership opportunities. On my behalf from Ottawa and on Brenda Redmond's, our board chair's behalf in Edmonton, thank you very much for joining us. Mesdames et messieurs, bonne soirée, and we'll see you next year.